This video will show you the best free VPN for Android in Dubai.
So if you're seeking a reliable free VPN for Android use in Dubai, it's crucial to choose services that prioritizes your privacy and offer strong encryption. So here are the best free VPNs for Android in Dubai. Starting off with Proton. So Proton has a data limit of unlimited. It has a strong encryption with no logs policy and open source application. Next is TunnelBear. TunnelBear has a data limit with 2 GB per month and has a key features with user-friendly interface servers in 47 countries. Lastly is this HideMe. HideMe or Hide.me it has a data limit of also unlimited, just like Proton, and it has a key features of supporting multiple protocols like WireGuard, OpenVPN, and IKE version 2, and has a strong privacy protections. And that is all. So we are fully aware that VPN usage is not outright illegal in the UAE, so using it to access restricted content can lead to legal repercussions. So we should always ensure our activities that comply with local news.